dear friends, welcome back to our fresh channel. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable flight mode in Realme mobile. So flight mode is really important for everyone because it concerns flight mode is really important because it concerns battery, and also it's really good for eyes brightness and also battery consumption. So this is a really easy process. For first of all, I will ask you something. Please subscribe my channel and keep the like button. So for enabling bright mode in Realme mobile, so first of all you will have to go setting option. Then in here you can see I have already enabled bright mode because actually I'm always using my mobile, that's why I already enabled my mobile. I already enabled bright. So for enabling bright mode, so first of all just cool down after open your setting, then just cool down. And guys, in here you can see Realme 12. Realme left this option, just click on it, and after clicking in here you can see bright mode I have already enabled, so just I stop it. Then after stopping, then guys in here you can see then will become this kind of interface, white color screen. So do just I enable, just wait guys, just I enable my bright. So this is really easy process. So by this process you can enable your bright mode in Realme mobile, and in other mobile maybe in other different function, and if you enable in other mobile, so and you have to find in setting, after coming in setting then you will be that. So guys, that's all. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. So don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos. So if you have any kind of problem, then please tell me, I will try to my best to help you.